Hi, today we are working with C Sharp but not in Visual Studio. We are going to work C Sharp in Visual Studio Code. So we will see how we can implement a program in Visual Studio Code. Let's start. For that, you have to always install Visual Studio Code in your system. As the installation and downloading process is in my channel, you can watch that and you can see. So after that, after installation of Visual Studio Code, then you need to install extensions which are related to your .NET. So there are two extensions. One is DEV, that is you need to just put DEV and then it will be there C Sharp dev kit. If it is not there in your system, you just need to install it. In my system it is already installed, so in your system just click on it. Install button will be there like other buttons, so just click on it and you will be able to find the installation of it. Just click on, then it will take some time and it will install it. This is one thing you have to do. And the second thing what you have to search for, you have to search for .NET. You just type it .NET and then you will find .NET install tool. You just need to install that also. In my system it is already installed. If I uninstall it, it will ask me for uninstallation and then I need to install it again. So you just need to install these tools, that's it. After installation of both the tools, you just have to click on, you just have to use a shortcut key, that is Control Shift and P from your keyboard. Again repeat, Control, that is a control key, Shift key from your keyboard plus P. These three keys you have to press all together and then this window will be there. Then now you have to click on .NET new project, that's it. When you click on it, it takes some time for opening and all, so don't worry about it. Now you can go for the any other application which you are going with Visual Studio, you can work with here also. So for start purpose, when you are going with a beginner or you need to make an application, so you definitely go with ASP.NET console. There will be a one application called as console app. So you will start it, click here and you will enter. So just you need to put a default directory and you need to give the name for it. If you want to give the same name, console app, that's fine. If you want to give another name, you can give it. So just enter, and once it is done, just have patience for a while. It will take few seconds to open and you will see in your system there will be a project which is opening of your Visual Studio Code, that is C Sharp. Now click on Explorer and just see your C Sharp application is there. Where you have to go, you have to just search for your the main program file. So click here on console app 1 and you will see program.cs is there. You just need to click on this. This will be your first program of C Sharp. Now you want to run the program, so you need to do some steps. So you will type on terminal .NET build. You enter and it will take some time to install this .NET build because you have already installed the extensions before. So it will show you the message build succeed. Now click on this play button, but you need to just click on this drop down and click on run project associated with this file. You just click on it and within a second you will find the output, and which will be in the terminal. See, this is our output and we just run the first program in Visual Studio Code of C Sharp. There are various other methods also to do the C Sharp program and all. You just have to, you can make the commands, you can work on that. If you find any error, let me know in comments. I'll try to solve them. And if you really like these videos, please put a thumbs up, share these videos to your friends and subscribe my channel. See you in next video.